Hello, it's day one. Um, so basically, I'm doing this thing where I'm doing this thing every day. Hop on here, raw dog neat code. Okay, what that means is no AI. I'm just gonna do it and suffer. Yeah. So that's how we're starting. I don't know how else is gonna go, but yeah, we're starting from day one. So basically, here's the thing. All right, previous knowledge. I'm a fourth year in college, right? Okay. In computer science. So I know basics of coding. The thing is, I'm very much not a master at leetcode. I'm not a competitive programmer. So I know data structures, but I don't know like how to completely use them in the way that you can get the most efficient uh, time complexity. It's usually I end up brute forcing and then realize it's wrong. Okay. So we're starting with a very easy problem, right? Seems easy. Contains duplicate. Okay. It's a very simple concept. Okay. If it has two or more of the same number, it's false. Or it's true, I meant. So for example, this has two threes. That's a duplicate. That's a duplicate three. That's true. Now, if it all has a unique number, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's false. Okay. So, how do we approach this, right? Um, we already know that. Um, okay. First, let's think. Okay. Obviously, we can brute force it and just check every number to the array, but that's O of n squared. That's not very good. The recommended time complexity is O of n, of course. Okay. So, how can we find something where you only need to scan it once, right? Now, I'm going to assume this uses a map or an unordered map of int and int mp, right? So, yeah. This is what I'm assuming. And then what we're going to do is we're going to just scan through nums and add them and just increase their value by 1 in the map. So we do mp nums I, but we need to start all of them at 0. That's the thing. Because if you do plus plus, it's not going to make sense because it's not it's null right now, Now remember this. It's day one. If you're a competitive programmer already and you're watching this, you'll be like, this guy's stupid. What questions is this guy asking? It's day one, man. There's going to be a lot more days ahead of me. I'm not a master at unordered maps. As you can tell, this is what I'm going to run into a lot. And it's going to be the whole idea that I just don't know I don't know syntax for specific things, That's the most annoying part, is that like I wish I could learn C++, Java, everything, but they all have different syntax. Yeah. So it's like I feel like there has to be some sort of way I can insert it. Like insert. Ugh. Oh my god. This is probably gonna error if I try to run it. Please log in. I'm not logged in. Oh, okay. It just did it automatically. Okay. It runs. What am I doing? Oh shit. We did it. We did it. So basically we found the answer. We didn't find the answer, but we can see how it catches. Okay, so this works, at least. That's all I wanted to know from that. Okay. Nums I plus plus. Great. And then we check. The fuck? What does that mean? I'm the GOAT! I did it! I'm a genius. I'm a genius. Thanks for watching, guys. If you didn't understand this problem, what I did is I made a map. I had it to iterate for each unique number. You get the point. All right. You know what? That was too quick. Let's do another. Because we're just so good. Let's do valid anagram. Clearly, I've tried this already. Let's just ignore this. Let's start fresh. Okay. So, I feel like this is a very classic problem. I'm pretty sure you just also have to use a map for this as well. But the difference is it's char and int. Like that. And then well, let's think about this, okay? If they all have the same amount of numbers, like the same amount of letters of each letter, that makes it an anagram. we just did the same thing, what would happen? Like, imagine we did this. Did it again. Okay. And then we did another scan. If MPS okay, wait. If MPS not equal to MPT of I, no way. There's no way I actually got it right. Is it just trolling me? It was trolling me. Okay. Let's see. So this is because it looks through a. Oh, yeah. It's because it looks through it. Ah! I was thinking of adding this, but I was like, nah, right? I wasn't thinking. Okay, that's my mistake. We have to check. We have to check these sizes. Like if MPT size is greater MPS size, we just make int. Well, actually, let's do this. And then we do size equals MPT size. Else, it'll be size equals MPS size. Like that. And then we do I is just size, right? Jar and jam. Okay, so now why is this not working? So it looks like this is stopping one too early. So I'm pretty sure that's because we have to do size plus 1. No, that's not why. Bro, what? Okay, am I doing too much? I think all I have to do is just see if these are the same size first. And that's it. I'm pretty sure that's all I have to do. Oh my god. It was bad though. Oh, it wasn't. Okay. Well, the memory was bad. But I did it. And all I had to do was make sure I was the same size. And I did it in big O of n. Technically big O of 3n, but that doesn't change much. Of n plus m. And O1 space. Well, I definitely did not do that right. Too easy. Two-sum classic. Return I and j such that oh, I get it. Because 0, 1, 3, 4. 3 plus 4. Yeah, this is 2 pointers. So we just go through the entire loop, I guess. Through the entire array vector. And then we just create 2 pointers. Oops, this is not good. Okay. We start them at, okay, well, they're already started at 0, but just for, well, wait. I'm being a little silly, okay? Because a nested loop is the 2 pointers. And j. Yeah. Well, no. Because this would be int num size minus. Because you would be going 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Because let me visualize it for you guys. You would be going, so let's say there's like an array, right? And you need to get all of the, you're doing 2 pointers. You need to get all combinations. But the important part, wait, is this a sliding door? Sliding window? I don't know, man. Is it a sliding window? Because here's what's happening. You only need what is this called? They are they're not cumulative. What is it? You know the word. Anyways, start 1, 1, 2. 1 3 1 4. But now we don't need 2 1. We just do 2 2 3 2 4, and then we need 3 3 4. Done. 4 done. Because we already have 4 3 and 4 2. But the question is, what if it was like division or something? That's when I think that's what 2 pointers is for. So we have 1 1 2 1 3 1 4, and then we have 2 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4, and then we have 3 3 1 3 2 3, you know. So in that case, is this a sliding window? Should we ask this guy? Is this a Let's not do that until after. Okay. Oh, so in that case, we're doing this minus I. Okay. So therefore, we just need to, if oh, we need like an output, I guess. Is it gonna do duplicates though? That's the thing. Because it's gonna be going 0 0 0 1 0 2 0 3. Then it'll go 1 1 1, which we don't want. Because it has to be, it has to start 1 above it. Wait, so should it start at JI then? Like that? For int j equals I. Because if it's 0 to 4, 0 1 2 3, we want j to, so if I starts here, we want j to start at 1. But we want it to go until 0 1 0 2 0 3. But it's minus I. Yeah, which is 0. Now, what if it was 1? We would want it to start at 1, 2, then 3. And if it was 2, then we want it just to start at 3. So, and that makes the case we don't do this. Instead, we just do j equals I. Oh. Oops. That's silly. 0 1, okay. 0 2 1 1. The hell? Well, okay, see that's what I was worrying about. Cause it's going to use the same. Ugh. If j starts at I, we want it to start at I plus 1. But what if I is the last? I think we need this to be -1 then, right? Am I genius? Yes! No! What did this guy do? It's all, bro. It's always an unordered map. Like, if you think someone's doing it better than you, it's because they're using an unordered map. int y equals target minus nums. I. Oh, because y is the number you need. Oh my god, that's genius. Yeah, because if you just need to find the other number you need, and then you have to see if MP contains y, then you just return now. Here's the thing, how do you know that I is going to be the second and not the first? MP nums I equals I, because that's the index. That's always going to be the previous. Okay. I don't know if you guys noticed yet, but I do have ADHD, so I will be pausing sometimes randomly, like for a long time. I really want to try to recreate my problem to fit the best solution. Obviously, I don't want to copy him, so I'm going to try to recreate it from memory after that 10 minutes of me staring at it. Basically, the gist of it, think outside the box. Start with an unordered map of, just int. Okay, so now we make that. Now we have to take like the what is it called? Like a delta. Let's call it delta. That sounds cool. Int delta is it target minus nums at I. Okay. And when we do that, now we have whatever we need for J, correct? So now we are checking if the map has it already. So we see map at I. If map at I Does that make sense? Because it only looks at one. It needs to check the entire map. Did it have a locate? Yo. If MP... Did he use some like... Contains. Bro, this is what I'm talking about. Like, I didn't know that was a thing. And what is it in Java, bro? Contains the delta. If it contains the delta, then all we have to do is return MP delta and I. Is that what it was? And then after that you add MP I equals I. Is that what it was? And if that's not the case, then we return nothing. If we can't find it. MPI equals I. Does that even make sense? MP at the index equals nums at I. I think that's what that is. Yeah. MPI equals nums at I. P delta I. Is that what that is? Bro, I always do this. Why do I... Okay, I didn't do something right. I did not do something right, okay? 4-3. It's going backwards too. Okay, this isn't what I wanted. If MP contains it, we are returning. We are returning. Oh my God. Wait, I literally did it right. It was this, dude. Oh my God, I had it backwards. NP nums I equals I because you're setting the value to be the index, and that's what's important. Because when you're doing target minus nums I is... Holy LARP, like this is just like me like LARPing as that dude who just submitted some crazy thinking outside of the box. I did it, bro. What the? Hey, what? Hey, don't do that to me. What did his look like? Wait, how did he do it better? How did my LARP solution not do good? What the? No, this doesn't make sense. This is the LARP solution. How did I not get it? Man, what the hell? I think we have to ask Claude. Get a little Claude star guest up in here. How do I close the sidebar? There you go. All right, let's get it. Wait, oops. Oh, God. Okay, okay. Oh, are we serious? No. Oh, nice. Nice, man. Okay, let's try again. Will it be better? Come on. Yes, we're getting there. Oh my God, it's like cookie clicker. Come on, come on. Okay, come on, one more time. No! Alright. Okay, enough joking around. This is the best solution, clearly. Yeah. I might have just spent way too much time doing nothingness. Wow. Look how time flies. We're already moving on to the medium problems. This is just too easy, man. Wait, how much is this? Wait, 150. Roadmap. This is the 150. Oh, okay, I see. Man, I know all this. Come on. Come on, man. I know dynamic arrays. Come on, man. Group anagrams. Array of strings stirs. Group all anagrams together. So, anagram. I mean, my Dutch Bros kind of taste like fish a little. Like that aftertaste. So we're just grouping. Wow, what are we aiming for? Wow, okay. This looks like... Genshin's coming out. This might be for day 2. This is like the boss level for day 2. Thanks for watching, guys.